Hello, welcome. Hey, today we got on the bench the RC Winch double stent rescue set tow truck trans arm wrecker kit for 1/10 RC crawler. It's supposed to be for the SCX-10, TRX-4, Capra, LGC chassis, and DIY RC truck and tow build kit. This one's in silver. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. It's made of aluminum. Rolls pretty good. Got some screws here. Bear with me a little bit because I'm new to this, doing this. Well, it seems pretty all straightforward, doesn't it? Put it that way. Okay, you see on this, so there's an indent, and that's so we can put this on here in a little bit. So. Looks like it's pretty easy. Just going to kind of put it together for this part for now, because it depends on where I know what's going in. You'll just have to come back to find that out. But there we go. Let's see what we got for screw sizes here. Looks like those are going to be 2s. Yep, 2 millimeters. So. And I will be putting Loctite on when I'm done. I do have Loctite. But for now, since I'm not sure where it's going to end up lying, you know, whether I might have to go up high to catch it or low, I'm just going to set it up here. Putting both sides in first. And this is a 2 millimeter hex. Pretty straightforward. Huh. I guess you gotta supply your own mountain screws. In there. These 1.5s. Those are not 1.5s. How about a 1.3? Yeah, got a 1.3 there. And I'm going to be pulling this back off too, because for the project that's going on, red is not going to work. Come on. And of course, since we're doing this, you don't want to snug them up too tight till you have everything in. Make sure everything goes down nice and easy. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. Come on. Let me try 127. Yeah, 127 seems to be working a whole lot better. I say. Okay. That's definitely slipping a little bit, so go back to the 1-3. Yeah. 1-3. And then since we will be putting Loctite on this, you don't have to go too tight because like I said that Loctite will hold it. So, well, there we go. And then for when we put the rest of it together, got a clevis that you can tighten up. So that can go there. And then, well, it doesn't matter if they have to slide hook or not because I'll just fly my own hook. But there you go. And then we'll be mounting we'll have to come back and you'll watch me put the winch on. But anyway, that's the kit. Looks like we've got a few parts left over. Huh? But like I said, it's just weird. Okay guys, little update. Number one, the screws here that I said were 0.3s or 0.27s, they're not. They're actually a number one Phillips. So, good thing I didn't snug them down too hard. And as you can see, I painted them blue. Next thing is, if you remember, I put the black screws in here. And then that ended up giving me 2 black screws and 2 silver screws. And I thought that was kind of weird. Well, it was. Not so weird if you put it together right, though. So, as I was putting that back on and noticing that there's actually that, and actually looked at it a little bit closer, I put took the black screws back out, put the silver ones in, and imagine that, it gave me 5 black screws to mount it. So, there you go. As I said, I'm new at this, guys, so I'm kind of learning as we go. I'm just trying to share my experience. But thanks for stopping by, and remember, however you run it the Wyoming Cowboy way. Safe, fun, and built right.